Singapore is a breathtaking island city-state brimming with stunning natural and architectural beauty. It offers lush gardens, futuristic skylines, serene beaches, and cultural landmarks. Visitors can immerse themselves in tranquil green spaces or marvel at engineering feats. Gardens by the Bay, a futuristic garden paradise known for its iconic supertree grove, featuring towering tree-like structures that light up at night. Explore the Flower Dome, a massive greenhouse showcasing plants from 5 continents. Walk through the cloud forest, home to a misty mountain and the world's tallest indoor waterfall. Enjoy the nightly Garden Rhapsody light and sound show, a magical spectacle under the stars. Marina Bay Sands, architectural marvel and skyline icon famous for its skypark observation deck with panoramic city views. Experience the Infinity Pool, the highest pool in the world, exclusively for hotel guests. Visit the Art Science Museum, known for futuristic exhibitions blending art, science, and technology. Stroll along the Helix Bridge, a DNA-inspired pedestrian bridge offering breathtaking views. Sentosa Island, the ultimate leisure destination home to Universal Studios Singapore, an adventure-filled theme park with rides and attractions. Relax at Silo Zoo Beach or explore the marine world at SEA Aquarium. Discover history at Fort Silo Zoo, Singapore's preserved coastal fort from World War II. Enjoy the breathtaking views from Sentosa cable car rides across the island. Singapore Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visit the National Orchid Garden, featuring thousands of orchid species and hybrids. Enjoy peaceful walks by the Swan Lake, surrounded by greenery and wildlife. Learn about Singapore's diverse plant species at the Rainforest Trail. Ideal for families, the Jacob Bowers Children's Garden offers fun and educational activities. Chinatown, a blend of culture and heritage. Explore Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, a magnificent temple steeped in history and tradition. Shop for souvenirs, spices, and antiques at the bustling Chinatown Street Market. Sample authentic Chinese cuisine at Maxwell Food Centre, known for Hainanese chicken rice. Discover vibrant street art showcasing Singapore's cultural fusion and history. Little India, a vibrant cultural escape. Admire the intricate architecture of Sri Veeramakaliamman Temple, dedicated to Goddess Kali. Explore Tekka Centre, a vibrant market offering Indian delicacies and textiles. Marvel at colourful murals and immerse in street culture on Buffalo Road. Savor authentic Indian cuisine, including dosa, biryani, and sweets, at local eateries. Orchard Road, Singapore's shopping paradise. Discover luxury brands, local designers, and unique finds at Ion Orchard and Paragon Mall. Experience dining at unique cafes and restaurants along this bustling shopping boulevard. Take a break at Emerald Hill, a hidden enclave with charming Peranakan-style architecture. Ideal for visitors looking to combine shopping, dining, and leisure activities. Clarke Quay, riverside dining and entertainment hub. Enjoy riverside dining at top restaurants offering global and local cuisines. Take a scenic boat ride along the Singapore River to explore the city's landmarks. Experience Singapore's nightlife at vibrant clubs and bars like Zouk. Visit nearby Asian Civilizations Museum for a glimpse into Asia's rich cultural history. Singapore Zoo, wildlife adventure for all ages. Known for its open-concept enclosures, allowing animals to roam in natural habitats. Don't miss the night safari, a unique nocturnal wildlife experience. Visit the River Wonders, Asia's first river-themed wildlife park featuring pandas. Fun for families with interactive exhibits and kid-friendly zones. Kampong Glam, the historic Malay Arab Quarter. Marvel at the Golden Dome of Sultan Mosque, a symbol of Singapore's Islamic heritage. Explore Haji Lane, a trendy spot with colourful murals, boutique shops, and cafes. Discover Malay culture and history at the Malay Heritage Centre. Enjoy a mix of cuisines, from Middle Eastern dishes to modern fusion flavours. Pulau Ubin, a rustic escape from urban life. Perfect for cycling and hiking enthusiasts looking to explore Singapore's natural side. Visit the Chek Jawa wetlands, rich in biodiversity and stunning coastal views. Experience a glimpse of traditional village life in a tranquil environment. Ideal for nature lovers and eco-tourists seeking a peaceful getaway. East Coast Park, a beachfront playground. Enjoy water sports like kayaking, windsurfing, and paddleboarding. Cycle along the scenic paths or relax with a picnic under swaying palm trees. Visit the East Coast Lagoon Food Village for a taste of Singapore's famous hawker food. A great spot for families and groups to unwind by the sea. Southern Ridges, a walk through nature and urban beauty. Walk the Henderson Waves, a wave-like pedestrian bridge offering stunning views. Explore trails connecting parks like Mount Faber Park and Kent Ridge Park. Enjoy birdwatching and serene greenery at Teluk Blangah Hill Park. Capture panoramic photos of the city and surrounding nature. Jewel Changi Airport, a destination in itself. Marvel at the rain vortex, the world's tallest indoor waterfall. Explore the lush Canopy Park, featuring walking trails and garden displays. Shop at luxury and local stores or enjoy global cuisines in its diverse dining area. Ideal for travelers looking for entertainment and relaxation at the airport. Merlion Park, a symbol of Singapore, home to the iconic Merlion statue, a mythical creature with a lion's head and fish's body. Perfect for selfies and panoramic views of Marina Bay Sands and the skyline. Enjoy nearby attractions like the Esplanade and Fullerton Hotel. A must-visit for first-time travelers to Singapore. Singapore Flyer, a view from the sky. Take a ride on the Singapore Flyer, one of the world's largest observation wheels. Enjoy breathtaking views of the city skyline, Marina Bay, and neighboring countries. Learn about Singapore's history through the interactive displays at the terminal. Perfect for romantic evenings or family outings with a unique perspective of the city. Raffles Hotel, colonial elegance and luxury. Visit the iconic Raffles Hotel, a symbol of colonial charm and luxury. Explore the Raffles Arcade, featuring boutique stores and dining options. Try the legendary Singapore Sling, a cocktail created at the hotel's Long Bar. Admire its lush gardens and stunning architecture, a nod to Singapore's history. Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, a trekker's paradise. Hike to the summit of Bukit Timah Hill, Singapore's highest natural point. Explore diverse flora and fauna within the dense rainforest ecosystem. Enjoy serene trails, ideal for birdwatching and photography. A great spot for adventure seekers and nature lovers alike. National Gallery Singapore, a cultural treasure. Admire the largest public collection of modern Southeast Asian art. Explore exhibitions housed in the restored Supreme Court and City Hall buildings. Attend cultural programs, workshops, and performances for a deeper appreciation of art, great for art enthusiasts and those keen on Singapore's creative heritage. Haw Par Villa, a fascinating mythological park. Discover more than 1,000 statues depicting Chinese folklore and legends. Walk through the 10 Courts of Hell, a thought-provoking depiction of afterlife beliefs. Explore vibrant displays of morality tales and cultural stories. A unique destination for cultural education and surreal experiences.